everybody loves this spot. Everybody's always asking me about this spot. So this is a Caraway giveaway from me. I purchased this pot with my own money. So it is a non-stick pot. It's a non-toxic pot, also eco-friendly pot. It comes with a lid inside. And for you guys to win this video, oh my God, for you guys to win this pot, you got to repost this video so that other person can see this video. And also go over to my YouTube channel. I'm going to leave the name of my YouTube channel on the screen. You're going to watch a video. You're going to comment on that video. Leave a comment where I can know that the same person on TikTok is you. So you can do whatever you want on TikTok, do whatever you want to do on my YouTube channel, but I'm mainly looking for a subscriber and persons that really interact with videos.